On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money on CPA grip using a secret strategy that does not require any skills or investment. This method is a fail-proof way to make money online from home, and it is available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that we show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPA gripper accounts. Once you create your CPA gripper accounts, the next thing is that you are going to come right here. Once you are here, just click on monetization tools. Once you click on monetization tools, you are going to select URL/file lockers. Once you click on URL/file lockers, you are going to see a page like this. The next thing is that you are going to come right here, just click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down, click on I agree to the terms of service. Once you click on that, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to lock content on this particular website so that we get people to complete offers before they get access to the content that we've locked. This content can be a URL to any video that you like, or it can be a link to any website that you want to lock, so it doesn't matter. So now the next step is that we are going to find the content that we can lock on this particular website so that you can get the people to complete the offers. As I said earlier on, you can lock any content that you want, but in this case we are going to be locking an article so that we can get people to complete the offers before they get access to the article. So what you have to do is that you have to search for this particular website, plr.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, they have about 100,000 free articles that you can use for whatever purpose that you want. So now once you're on the website, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. As you scroll, you can see different articles that you can use to do whatever that you want. You can even come to this side and then select any niche that you want. You can see health and fitness, happiness, hair loss, and then you can see many of them. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of these articles because we don't want to use it for any special purpose. We just want a means to an end. We just want to lock the URL of the article so that we can get people to complete offers on CPA grip. We don't need the article for any useful thing, so you can just select any article that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this particular article right here. So you just click on it so that the article will be open. Once you open the article, you are going to see a page like that. As you can see, this is the article. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to highlight and copy the content of the article. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to search for docs.google.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on blank so that you can paste your article on a Google document. Once you open the Google document, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on Control V so that you can paste the content on this particular document. As you can see, this is the article. The next thing is that you are going to paste the title of the article on it. So just go back to the website and then copy the title of the content. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come back. Once you are here, you are going to copy the title of the content. So just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your article and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to lock this particular article so that we can get people to complete offers on CPA grip before they get access to it. So just come right here, click on share. Once you click on share, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on skip. Once you click on skip, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, it is currently restricted. So what you have to do is that you have to make it accessible to everyone. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select anyone with the link. Once you select that, you are going to come right here, click on copy link so that you can copy the link of the article. Once you copy the link of the article, you are going to come back to your file lockers. Just come right here, you can see name. So this is where you are going to give a name to the file. So in this case, we can just say cat articles. It's just for us to identify the articles. No one is going to see this particular name. Once you type the name of the file, the next thing is that you are going to select a template. You can see right here, this is a template. You can see begin download. They are not going to download anything. So now what you have to do is that you have to select a different template. To select a template, just come right here, click on templates. Once you click on templates, you can see different templates that you can select to lock your file. So you just scroll down and select the one that you want. But the human verification is one of the best templates. So just select that. Once you select the human verification, you can see this is it. So now in order for them to get access to the article, they have to prove that they are human. So once they click on choose a survey, CPA grip is going to show them offers to complete before they get access to the article. Once they complete the offers to get access to the article, we are going to be paid on CPA grip. So now once you select the template, the next thing is that you are going to come back to general so that you can continue with the rest of the details. You can see the text right here, so you can change this text, but it is okay. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see locked URL. So this is where you are going to paste the link of the article, this particular link that you copied. You are going to paste it right here. So just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to select the number of offers that you want CPA Grip to show to your potential visitor. So you can just select 4 or 3 or 2. So I prefer 2. If you want, you can select any number that you want. Once that is done, you are going to come right here. You can see access time. I usually select forever. You can select that too. Just select forever. Once that is done, you can see anytime your visitor clicks on your link, depending on their location, they are going to find offers here to complete before they get access to the content. So let me just click on choose survey. You can see these are the offers that I'm seeing. It is because of my location. So anyone who clicks on my link in anywhere in the world, they are going to get different offers to complete. So now once that is done, you can just click right here, show offers, so that you can see the offers that your potential visitor is going to see. As you can see right here, if your potential visitor is from the United Kingdom, they are going to see offers like this. So anytime they complete them, you are going to be earning money. You can see right here, if your potential visitor in UK complete this particular offer, you are going to be earning $8.83. You can see this one right here, you're going to be earning $2.05. You can see $2.05. You can see this one right here, $1.83. You can see $2.05. You can see 41 cents. You can see $1.40. If your potential visitor is from the United States, they are also going to see different offers. As you can see, United States, let me just select that for you to see. As you can see, if your potential visitor is coming from the United States, you can see the offers that they have to complete. As you can see them, and you can see the payout right here. This is the amount that you are going to be paid. You can see $1.71. You can see 54 cents, $1.37. As you can see, it is available worldwide. So anywhere in the world that people click your link, they are going to get offers to complete on this particular website. Once you provide all the details, you are going to click right here, save. Once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, this is the link of the file that you've logged. So anytime you click on get links, you are going to get a link. So if you share this link and then people click through this link, they are going to get offers to complete, and you are going to be making money on CPA Grip. The next thing is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get many people to click through this link so that they can complete the offers for us to earn money on CPA Grip. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, freelancer.com. This website is a marketplace where you can find freelancing jobs based on your skills. You can also hire freelancers here to complete your project for you. But in this video, what you are going to be doing is that we are going to use it as a traffic source so that we can get people on this platform to complete the offers on CPA Grip so that we can make money on CPA Grip. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on sign up so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you sign up for your free accounts, you can use this website as a traffic source. So I'm going to log into my account so that I will show you how to use it to make money on CPA Grip. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on post a project. Once you click on post a project, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to post a project right here so that you can get a lot of people to complete the offers on CPA Grip. So first of all, you are going to choose a project name. So here, just type document translation, just type that. As you can see, document translation. Once that is done, you are going to post a description of your project. So what you are going to do is that you are going to write a simple description like this. You can see, I'm in search of a translator who can proofread and translate documents and ebooks from English to Spanish correctly without the use of Google Translate and other online services. This work is completely remote with flexible working hours. Just highlight and copy your project description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back to the project and then paste it right here. That has been done. So the next thing is that you are going to scroll down. You can see upload file. Don't upload anything. Just click on next so that you can continue with the rest of the details. Once you click on next, you can see these are the skills that a freelancer must possess before they can get access to the project. So just leave it like this. If you want, you can just remove some of them just like this and then add what you want. So you can just add any of them right here. As you can see, that is done. Once you select the skills that are required for your project, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on post a project. So once you click on that, you can see how do you want to pay. Are you going to pay on hourly basis or fixed price? So just choose any of them that you want because you are not going to pay for anything. Just choose what you want. So I'm just going to choose hourly. So once you click on what you want to choose, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are the standard rates So you can just leave it like this, or you can increase it. I'm going to leave it like this. So once you have your budget, the next thing is that you're going to click on next so that you can continue with the rest of the details. You can see right here, what type of project are you posting? You can see recruiter project, you can see standard project. With this particular project, you are not going to pay for anything. You are going to paste it to the platform so that you can get people who will buy it for the project. So once they buy it, you are going to get notifications so that you can send your link to them to complete the offers on CPA groups before they get access to the file. So just choose standard. Once you click on the standard, you're going to see a page like this. So if you want, you can select any of them, but just ignore all these because they are optional. You can see it right here, optional. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on next so that you can continue with the rest of the details. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. So right now you are going to preview the details that you provided. As you can see, all the details are intact. There is nothing wrong. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click right here, yes, post my project. Once you post your project, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, freelancers will start bidding on your project soon. So you are going to get people who are going to respond to this particular project. As you can see, somebody has responded to my project. You can see I have one right here, I have the second one right here. So a lot of people are going to be bidding for it. You can see I have the third one. People are going to be bidding for this project. You can see right here, hey, I am interested in your project. Please send me a message so that we can discuss more. So what you have to do is that you have to send them a message. To send them a message, what you are going to do is that you are going to create a template like this. You can see this is the sample article. Read this and let me know you can do this job or not. So now what you have to do is that you have to insert the link to your logged article right here. So just come back to CPA group. Once you come back to CPA group, what you are going to do is that you are going to click right here, get links. Once you click on get links, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come right here and then highlight this particular text. Once you highlight the text, you are going to come right here, click on links. Once you click on links, you are going to insert your link right here. So just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click on apply. Once you click on apply, you can see your link has been inserted right here. So anytime the freelancer gets access to this particular document, they are going to click right here. So once they click on it, they are going to see the offers so that they can complete them before they get access to the article. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back and respond to all these proposals. You can see this one right here. I am interested in your project. So what you are going to do is that you have to reply to them by telling them that you have a sample page which you want them to translate for you to see that they are qualified for the work. So you are going to type your message here. As you can see, I have a sample page which I want you to translate for me to know that you can do the work. So just reply. Once you reply them with this particular message, if they reply to you by saying yes, the next thing is that you are going to send them the document so that they can complete the offers before they get access to the article. So what you have to do is that you have to now download this particular document and then send it to them. So just come right here, click on file. Once you click on file, you are going to come right here, download. Once you click on download, you are going to click right here, PDF document, so that you can download this document and then send it to them so that they can complete the offers before they get access to the article. Once you download your document, as I said earlier on, if they reply to you yes, you are just going to click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select the document. Once you select the document, you are going to click on open. You can see this is the document. So now what you have to do is that you are going to type something like this is the document, something like this. He hasn't replied yet, so I'm not going to send this particular document, but assuming he replies yes, you are going to upload the document. Just click on send so that you can send the document to the freelancer. So once you send the document, they are going to complete the offers for you to make money on CPA group. As you can see right here, the project has 7 buys now just within some few minutes. You can see it right here. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to chat them individually. So just click on this box right here, chat. Once you click on chat, you are going to send them a message like this. You can see, hello, good day. It is 70 pages of content. I will give you the first 5 pages so that you can prove to me that you can do it. So just a simple message like this. So once you have your message, you are going to click on send. So if they respond to you that they are willing to translate the 5 pages, you are going to come back, just download this particular page and then send it to them. So they have to complete the offers right here before they get access to the articles. So just wait for them. If they respond to you by saying yes, just click right here. Once you click on this icon, select your document and then send it to them as we did for the first one. So you are going to chat with all of these persons that are bidding for the project. So just chat with them and then send them the link so that they will complete the offers on CPA Grip for you to make money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.